Ever feel like you're locked out of your financial future? Maybe you've dipped your toes into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, signed up for a Newton account, and now you're staring at a login screen, wondering what comes next. Fear not, fellow crypto adventurer. This video is your one-stop guide to unlocking the potential of your Newton account. Before we dive in, let's rewind a bit. Newton is a user-friendly platform designed to make buying, selling, and securely storing cryptocurrency a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or a curious newcomer, Newton offers a smooth experience. But of course, that journey starts with logging in. So, grab your metaphorical pickaxe, because we're about to unearth the secrets to accessing your Newton account and taking control of your crypto destiny. Step 1. Gearing up what you'll need. Thankfully, logging into Newton doesn't require any fancy gadgets or decoder rings. Here's what you'll need. Your trusty device. This could be your laptop, phone, or tablet. As long as it has an internet connection and a web browser, you're good to go. Your Newton login credentials. This includes the email address and password you used when you created your account. Remember, these are your keys to the crypto kingdom, so keep them safe and secure. Step 2. Launching the login mission. With your tools in hand, it's time to embark on your login quest. Here's how to get started. Fire up your web browser. No matter which browser you prefer, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, they all work like a charm for Newton. Navigate to the Newton website. Head over to https://web.newton.co. This is your official launchpad into the world of Newton. Step 3. Unveiling the login portal. Once you've arrived at the Newton website, you should see a clear and uncluttered interface. Look for a designated login area. It might be a button that says login or sign in. Don't worry, it won't be hidden in some crypto vault. Step 4. Keys to the crypto kingdom. Now comes the crucial part, entering your login credentials. Email address. In the designated field, type in the email address you used to create your Newton account. Be sure to double-check for any typos, because even a tiny mistake can send you on a frustrating detour. Password. Here comes the fun part. Enter your secure password. Remember, it's like the combination to your crypto safe, so keep it strong and unique. Avoid using birthdays, pet names, or anything easily guessable. If you can't quite recall your password, don't fret. We'll cover how to reset it in a moment. Step 5. Reaching the promised land. Once you've entered your email address and password, click the login button or its equivalent. If everything matches up, you'll be whisked away to the glorious land of your Newton account dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully unlocked a world of crypto possibilities. Bonus tip, remembering your login. Let's face it, remembering passwords can be a real struggle. To avoid future login struggles, consider enabling your browser's Remember Me feature. This will save your login credentials on your device, so you won't have to type them in every single time. Just remember, this is only recommended for secure personal devices, not public computers. Mission: Password Recovery. What happens if your memory fails you and your password remains stubbornly elusive? No worries, Newton has your back. Here's how to reset your password. Head back to the Newton login page. Look for a link that says Forgot Password or something similar. Click on that link. You'll likely be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. Newton will then send you a password reset link or instructions to your email. Follow the instructions carefully to create a new, strong password. Security matters, protecting your crypto. Now that you're a login pro, let's talk about keeping your crypto safe. Here are some essential security tips. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone or another device in addition to your password. Don't skip this crucial step. Beware of sources. Info. Educationalpedia.com/cryptocurrency/cryptocurrency-hacking.